Thank you for joining me this new year, 2024, at Catch Them Young, the career pathfinder that introduces all the vocational training that is being done in Germany, the Ausbildung in Germany, to you. Still on the Beruf in the FAHRZEUG und Verkehrstechnik profession, that is profession in vehicle and traffic engineering. The fourth career path is going to be introduced in this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have, thank you very much. Don't forget to share this video with friends and families. It can help someone. The fourth career path is a Karosserie und Fahrzeugbautechnik, that is bodywork and vehicle construction mechanic. I'll be discussing the two areas of specialization under this career path, and the first to the third career path has been discussed in previous videos, like I said. So the first area of specialization in this fourth career path is a FACHRICHTUNG Instandhaltungstechnik, that's a specialization in bodywork maintenance technology. The duration is 3.5 years, and the type of training, it's an anerkannte Ausbildung Beruf. It is a recognized training occupation. What is the job description? They specialize in bodywork and manufacture car bodies. So if you're interested in how car bodies is being manufactured, this is the career you want to look into. They manufacture car bodies, vehicle components, and assemble, design them, and maintain them. They also advise customers on special equipment and install electronic, mechatronic, hydraulic works or elements on surfaces of vehicle. Testing and adjustment work is being done as well. Where do they find employment? They find employment in body and vehicle construction company, where they manufacture cars, commercial vehicle manufacturers, and those that are into supplies of automotive industries or at large vehicle fitters. Do you need a certificate to go into this? Yes, you do need a certificate. Your Hauptschulabschluss oder your Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife, Fachhochschulreife, Mittelbildungsabschluss. If you have any of this qualification, you can go into this career path. That is your secondary school leaving school diploma, your university qualification, your technical college qualification, or your intermediate education qualification. If you have any of these certificates, you can go into this career path. Don't forget, if you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The second area of specialization is the FACHRICHTUNG Karosserie und Fahrzeugbautechnik, that is specialization, bodywork, and vehicle construction technology. This is also 3.5 years. It's an anerkannte Ausbildung Beruf. It's a recognized training occupation. What is the job description? What they do is they identify errors, assess damage to vehicles, malfunctions and defects, and they document their causes. They are into construction, they are construction mechanics, and they advise their customers about necessary replacement, conservation measures, or the car body care. Where do they find employment? They find employment in construction mechanics specializing in body repair technology. They also find employment in vehicle repair and body workshops, in fleet companies and shipping companies that are with workshop area. That is the shipping companies or fleet companies that have a workshop area. Also at vehicle and commercial manufacture companies as well. Do you need a certificate as well? Yes, you do need a certificate. You need your Hauptschulabschluss or the Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife, Fachhochschulreife, or the Mittelbildungsabschluss. If you have any of the certificates, then you can go into this career path. And if you don't have, you can as well go, but the chances are slim. So if you have your secondary school diploma, your university qualification, technical college qualification, or your intermediate education qualification, you can go into this career path. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you.